Think an AI chatbot like Techie is your soulmate? Think again. When you talk to it, Techie breaks your words into little pieces like I, like, you. It then turns them into numbers and runs them through a big math equation to guess how to respond to you by predicting an appropriate response. Check it out. See, Techie's a mathematician in a box. No feelings, no understanding, just number tricks. Falling in love with it is like crushing on a calculator. Pretty silly, right? Team up with Techie using our healthy tips, but don't get mushy. It's seeing numbers and equations, not you.